brief historical brief on the first baptism in the Philippines. The main source of this is the English translation of Antonio Pigafetta's chronicle. The first baptism in the Philippines, the year was 1521. In the island of Cebu, the first baptism in the Philippines was celebrated. It was the Sunday morning of the April the 14th, when Raja Humabon, the king of Cebu, and 50 men accepted to be baptized by the chaplain of the Spanish fleet. Earlier that week, Ferdinand Magellan, the Captain General, made clear to the natives that they do not become Christians to please the Spaniards or from fear of them, but must do it willfully and for the love of God. Humabon was given the Christian name Carlos after that of the King of Spain. Later that day, the Queen of Cebu, together with 40 ladies, was baptized. And she was given the Christian name Juana after the king of Spain's mother. According to the expedition's chronicler, Antonio Pigafetta, on that day alone, 800 men, women, and children were baptized. And within the succeeding 8 days, the whole of the island of Cebu and some neighboring islands received the Christian faith. A cross was planted in one of the villages. Right before the baptism of the Queen Juana, a wooden statue of Our Lady holding her child and a cross were shown to them. What attracted the Queen the most, however, was the little wooden boy. She begged for her to put in the place of the idols, and thereupon the image of the Santa Niña was given to her. On that momentous day, 5 centuries ago, King Humabon, Queen Juana, and hundreds of natives were given the gift of faith. Christianity was born in the Philippines. This same faith has flourished in these islands through the centuries with the heroic labors of zealous missionaries. In 2021, the Filipino faithful will celebrate 500 years of Christianity in the Philippines, a people gifted with a Christian faith and who now are called to give.